I was scrolling through YouTube Shorts when I saw something insane. A video with over 236 million views. Not just that, there were more videos in the same style, all racking up millions. It was wild. But here's something even crazier. I did some quick research to see how saturated this niche was. And boom, only 3 creators are posting in this space. A niche this viral, with almost zero competition? This is a goldmine. And guess what? All they do is upload eating ASMR videos using Squid Game characters as cartoons. Now you're thinking, this is too weird to monetize. Wrong. One of those creators is pulling in $2,000 per video. But here's their mistake. They use 5 different AI tools and edit for hours. When you only need one AI tool that does everything, the only real secret is knowing how to prompt it properly. Which is why I've already created a special ChatGPT prompt that you can use for free. So watch this video till the end and act before it gets saturated. Welcome to AI Upskill. Here's a quick preview of what we'll be creating today. Before we dive in, let me quickly break down the process so you know how easy this actually is. First, we'll use ChatGPT to generate super specific prompts. Then, we take those prompts and use an AI tool to generate an image. That same tool also turns that image into a realistic video. Finally, we'll add sound effects and background music to it. Sounds easy, right? Trust me, it is. Now, let's get into the video. The most important part of this entire process is the prompts, because no matter how powerful the AI tool is, if your prompts aren't perfect, the result won't stand out. So, instead of wasting hours creating them, I've already built a pro-level prompt document that does everything for you. You can grab this cheat code directly from my Discord server. Just paste it into ChatGPT, and instantly it generates 3 unique ideas with brilliant prompts that are tailored for this exact niche. Just pick the one that feels right, and you're ready for the next step. Alright, time to reveal the tool that automates the entire process in minutes. Introducing Nim Video, an AI tool that offers text-to-image, text-to-video, and bunch of other AI features. So head over to this tool from the description of this video to get exclusive discounts designed specifically for you guys. After you've logged in, this dashboard will appear. Now here's where things get exciting. In the next 3 minutes, you'll see how to create Squid Game eating videos. But really quick, if you're finding this helpful so far, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. I cover AI tools like this every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Head over to the image section of Nim Video. Simply copy and paste the prompt generated by ChatGPT into this box. You can upload images as a reference and can even improve your prompt by using various tools given below. Next, select a model from the list below. It provides a wide range of popular models. However, after testing all of them, I found that the GPT image model delivers the best results for the one we want. Finally, select 9:16 aspect ratio for shorts. So once everything is set, click the Generate button. And in seconds, you'll get a high-quality image of your Squid Game characters. Simply download the image from here and let's move on. Now here's where the magic happens. Return to Nim Video and this time go to the Video section. This is where still images become super realistic. From above, select the Image to Video feature and upload the image you just created. Copy and paste the video prompt into this box. From below, choose a video model. It offers a variety of popular models. You can choose the one you want, but I highly recommend using the Kling 2.1 model. Next, click on More Controls and choose the length of your video, and set the type to Master. You can also edit the negative prompt from here. As of now, I will not make any changes. Finally, click the Generate button. Nim Video will start the video generation. So let's skip the generation process. And as you can see, you've got a super realistic, animated ASMR style video, all done in a few clicks. Wait, the video isn't over yet. If you want your videos to be of higher quality with more detail, then you can use Nim Video's Upscale feature. From the Tools section, navigate to the Upscale feature. Simply upload the video that was generated. Once it's uploaded, select an upscale model from below. Next, select the video's resolution and frame rate. Finally, click Generate. Nim Video will start upscaling the video. So let's skip the process. And as you can see, our video is ready. Here's a side-by-side comparison, from good to ultra high quality. Because if you want people to watch till the end, crystal clear video matters. But silent shorts doesn't go viral. We need those sound effects and background music to give that ASMR touch. So I made it easy. Go back to ChatGPT and paste in the second prompt. It's designed specifically to give you a list of sound effects based on the above 3 generated ideas. Now to download those, we will use Pixabay, as it's free. Just copy the sound effects from ChatGPT and paste it into this box. As you can see, it provides us multiple sound effects. You can even listen to them and can easily download them without signing up. And if you want to take things even further, I've uploaded an edited Squid Game background music to my Discord server, which will literally double your views. Now comes the easiest and most crucial part, the editing. Let me show you a quick breakdown of my editing project. Simply start by uploading your video, sound effects, and background music in CapCut. First, add the Squid Game background music to the timeline, then import the generated video. The editing is all about perfectly syncing your sound effects with the visuals, no fancy transitions needed. Also, I have only added sound effects that were recommended by ChatGPT. However, if you want any other sound effect, you can go through the audio section in CapCut. If you need any help, simply drop a comment down below. So, once your sound is synced and the video feels smooth, simply export the video by clicking here. And boom. You've made a video that dominates YouTube Shorts in less time than it takes to order coffee. Here's a preview of it. And there you have it. We just created a Squid Game ASMR eating video using only one AI tool. This niche won't stay empty forever. You've got the tool, you've got the prompts, and now you have the exact roadmap. What happens next is up to you. Don't sleep on this. Check out NIM video using the link given below and grab your free ChatGPT prompt from Discord. Comment Squid Game if you're in. Oh, and please like and subscribe to AI Upskill. See you soon.